I grab a slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe.
Gotta keep them filled up, you know. They're already in bed sleeping, so might as well take care of them, you know. Look, I'm a frog gigger from way back, you know. It's not easy catching them. Here, I'll be frog.
Well, between me and you. So like right here.
Oh! Hold that right there for a minute.
When you put that caliper back on, I'll hold the brake on.
We're going to have to, or we're going to have to strap something on the back.
Yeah, we just put the caliper back on. I'll get here and hold the brake on.
I don't know if that caliper's going to have, it might. Go ahead and bolt this caliper back up. Back up a little bit.
Well, you won't be able to put the ball joint bolt in with the caliper on.
Yeah, that's true.
You have to take the caliper off to do the ball joint.
Yeah, back up.
I can turn around and winch to him.
3 straps for one side by side.
Yeah. Yeah, 3 winches going. Hold on. Hold your brakes. Keep that tension.
Well, you
Beat on it while he's got tension on.
well, you're. Go ahead.
Do you have it tight?
Oh yeah, she's tight. You ain't gonna do nothing but put a cross in it.
It's already fucking crook.
All right, ease
Keep
up a
tension.
little bit.
Get your ratchet strap. And pull
Watch
up
out.
on it.
Ease up. Keep it easy.
Yep.
There we go. Now we're working. Now you're straight. Go ahead and ease up. Go ahead. Yeah. Now you're straight where you're even on it. All right, back up just a little bit. Just a little more. Just a little. Hold that. Now go kind of forward, but when you get that pressure, kind of just hold it. Don't forget it. Look at it.
Smell it.
Hey, back
I'm not
up
quite
there.
sure what the fuck's going on right now, dude.
Winch me up a little bit.
It's like 3 a.m.
Yeah, up.
Is it 4 a.m.? Holy fuck. I gotta be at the poker run today.
I gotta run a stop. I gotta be at my stop at 10 o'clock today. Right now.
10
6
o'clock.
hours from now. I have to sleep too. And I gotta be there. Yeah.
We're a little bit.
Whole load of
This thing's got 3 winch points on it right now, dude.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what the fuck's going on.
I got one in the truck. It's not here.
Polaris sinks.
You'll never find
No.
that.
Okay, you're closer to dropping in there. See what I say it there? So let out on the winch.
Let out on the winch a little bit. No, not you.
Why is it? You got a flash. Let me see a flashlight.
Guess I go to bed now.